You, Jacob, get over here and fight. Start fighting too.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Epic Fight 2. Welcome back. All right, Epic Fight 2 is here. That's gay. Gay. No helping. Hey, the bomb call out. The bomb call out. Oh, ngalo. The worst fight of Epic 2000 something.
Hey, go.
Hey, get out of the way. This side. It's PvP. Team versus team.
It's me lie.
So anyways, we have Jacob and Cyrus fighting each other. And we have Chris and Bjorkman fighting each other. Chris is supposed to fight Moses, but it doesn't matter anyways because he's not here. So anyways, Chris and Jacob are team. John Cena, Randy Orton. What's going on?
1, 2, Epic Fight.
The worst fight ever. Don't make me come in there. What? Then punch him.
No.
Hey, Bjorkman, go punch him. Yeah. Yeah. This is so good. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. You gotta check this video out when I upload it. It's gonna have over 1,000 views. All right, I guess this is it.